Yep. There you go. Yep. Fish on. Laters, mate. Hey guys, what's going on? Twisted Energy here. So I'm back down the river again and we're going to be testing another drone. I've got this TK116 Vitality. Now I was running prop guards, but I've flown it a couple times now, so I've taken them off. Could be a big mistake, but get this up in the air and see how it goes. I also brought my rod and some cheese after we mess around with this. Chuck my line in and see if we can't hook a fish. Hopefully they're back on the bite again after all the floods. We'll have a go anyway, guys. Alright. There we go. Put in the second speed. Away we go, guys. Come down. Nice. Does not like the wind either. Cool, seems to be flying pretty good, guys. Hopefully it's recording all this. Let's go over here a bit. I got FPV, guys, but I really can't see it. The screen's just black, so. Wow, the wind has picked up. Go for a little fly out here over the water. I'm gonna take it up. Nice and high up there. Definitely doesn't like the wind, guys. Try these flips quickly. There we go. Front flip, back flip, nice. This little top cap popped off of here when we landed them, but I did land pretty hard, so it's probably my fault. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed that, but for now, let's grab our rod, get some cheese and see if these fish are on the bite, guys. Because I want to get a sooty. Looking pretty good. Just like usual, guys. Got this bag of cheese here. You know how it is. Fish love their dairy. Just running a tiny little hook, 3 little sinkers, free floated. See how this goes. Yep, there's a fish. It's not a bad food either. Oh, wow, this hit you. Nice. Settle, settle. Oh no. Sorry, mate. Stop, stop. Latest little fella. Yeah. Woohoo! Nice soot, guys, straight up. One of my best spots on this part of the creek, so let's see how we go. Yeah, sooty on straight away, guys. They're hungry, real hungry. Try to hang on to this one this time. There you go. Another nice soot. See, they're looking a little bit skinny after the floods, but sure they'll fatten up again. Let this little fella go. Catch you later, buddy. Keep the cheese. You! Oh, that was a stonker. Yes. Yes. Check that out. Settle, mate, settle. Settle. It's gonna hook me. There you go, guys, nice little soot. Another little slim fella, doesn't look too fat at the moment. Let him go. Laters, mate. He's just chilling there under that stick. Far out. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that drone footage. Hopefully it turns out for us. Not too sure how it'll go being 720p, but hopefully it's alright. And yeah, we ended up hooking 3 sooties, lost a few as well, so it's been a good day down here, guys. Expect a saltwater video next week. Be hitting the shelf again. And I think I'll paddle up this one the week after in the kayak, get some kayak videos happening again. But in saying all that, I think that's going to be it for today. If you've enjoyed hanging out, smash the like button for me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more content. Till next time. Oh, big fish on the drop. Didn't even get a sink. Fella should try cheese. How the hell did that happen? No way. I had one more flick before I left, guys. I'm not sure how I've hooked this fish, but I have no idea what's going on here. There's 2 hooks. Another little fella, guys, just before we're about to leave. Thought I'd have one more cast and he nailed it on the drop. It didn't even touch the bottom and bang. Awesome, awesome. Catch you later, little fella.
What I thought. Stop.